How good does that look? I just want to slam my face into that. My name is Sean Daly, and that is the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium, the newest culinary wonderland at Universal Orlando. Let's go back inside.
My name is Professor Dr. Penelope Thibault Tinker Toothsome.
And I am Jacques.
We travelled together round the world. We visited all sorts of different places and all sorts of different cultures, and we took little bits from everything, didn't we, Jacques?
Yes, we have earned every one of those recipes.
Looming next to the Hard Rock Cafe on Universal CityWalk, Toothsome has this 19th century steampunk vibe. Think Jules Verne meets Willy Wonka. There's a full-service restaurant, a bar with an incredible view, a candy shop, and of course, an ice cream parlor. And woven through all of it is a quirky storyline from Universal's creative team.
He runs on chocolate, you see.
Yes.
Yes, I did rewire his circuits. That's one thing I did. My father built him to run on oil, you see, but I rewired his circuits to run on chocolate. I do hope you come and visit us here in Orlando, Florida.
It will be an honor to have you here.